Hi, it's me Deepa, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my flourless wraps using Mazuri dal, also known as red lentils. Yes, you can get this at the supermarket. I got mine at Extra Foods, Extra Plaza in Chaguanas. So check out your supermarket and look out for Mazuri dal. So I added a little bit too much coconut oil to my non-stick pan there, so I wiped it out really quickly. It is very important that you use a non-stick pan to do this, and once you're using a non-stick pan, you really don't need a lot of oil. So just lightly grease it, and then you're going to use a ladle, which I suggest to scoop out your batter and pour it into your pan. My mom also calls a ladle a culture, so definitely get one of those when making this. So I wanted to show you this wrap in particular because this one was just those two ingredients, which is the Mazuri dal blended with water, and you can see how perfect and pliable that is a perfect wrap. But this is how I like my wrap. I add oats to it, and I made a huge mess, and I add pimento peppers, garlic, salt, black pepper. I add a little bit of sugar, and I also added fresh bandania or shadow benny, whatever you call it, and I blended everything together. And of course my bandania came from my garden, and I'm so proud of it. So once you blend it really well, you're going to add a little bit more water because that oats is going to thicken up your batter. So add some water, thin it down, and you'll notice I added a little bit extra bandania to my batter, and I gave it a quick pulse because I wanted it to remain nice and chunky, because I love my wrap colorful and pretty and flavorful. So again guys, lightly grease your non-stick pan, use a ladle or a culture and scoop your batter out and then pour it into your pan. Now you can move around your pan a bit and spread your batter. That way it doesn't work for me. I need to use my ladle to spread my batter. It takes about 2 minutes on each side to cook, and if you all look at the video properly, you'll see that it actually swells up, sort of like a sada roti. So it's really cool, and whatever remains you can just store it in your refrigerator in a container with a tight lid, and the longest I've left mine is 7 days, and it stays perfect. So I am making mine very simple. I added some eggless mayo, a little bit of my favorite jerk seasoning, lettuce from my garden, I'm so proud of that, and fresh vegetables, and no cheese, nothing else. It tasted so really good. I'm trying to stay away from cheese a little bit. So this was so delicious, guys. You need to try it. You can make it your own. Add shrimp, add chicken, add anything you like, and this is really delicious. No flour. So I hope you guys like this video. Bye.